And it's on!
Hello.
Hello. This is our burping video in black and white. And we already started. Yeah. Nice one.
I'm sorry.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, we can't do it without the Coke yet.
We're not that good.
Talk about
I'm not that good.
Should try the ABCs.
A, B, C, D.
You can't do any. I do like 20 amazing ones, but not on camera. And then when I get on camera, I'm like, camera shy. Nice!
A little bit of dinner coming up.
Oh, dinner. Dinner. Yep. What's so funny, Destiny?
What?
You're really... I think we went like, nice! I think we went like a minute without like burping. That's all I got, man. I did remember that really good one I did. I like,
The fourth of video?
yeah. Like, I think we were at Target.
Oh, in public.
Look at my face. You can hear my soda. See the link. Oh, it's both of ours! It's really just a god when I did that. I was like, that was a good one. We should have some music on. This is gonna get boring.
I know. Maybe we should start over. What do you think?
After we're done with the Coke, we're sorry if we're boring today. Ooh, I got one coming. 4 minutes of burping. And barely any burps. We're so interesting. Are we boring in black and white?
They are cuter in black and white.
Yeah, I think so too.
Got 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Yeah.
I look uber scrawny when I do this, and then like this, I look fat. Fat, scrawny. Oh!
That was a good one. That hurt though.
I can't do any. Yeah. And you're not?
Mm-hmm. Excuse me?
No excuse. Wait, my clunky, what is things? You tell him I go.
Do what I need.
I know. Congratulations. Simply said.
There you go.
Yeah. It took 6 minutes, almost 7. Yep. Yeah, I think that was my last one.
We're boring today.
We're not interesting. See? I'm tired. Someone wake us up. I love you. And you let go. Do things. Up, burp! Thank you, Mama. I want to give a shout out. Seth. I know he's not making me say this. I said, I told him we were making a video. So I figured I'll be like, oh, shout out. I feel like when I get older, I'm gonna get like these wrinkles right here because it's smiling. It's gonna be gross. Are we done? It's an 8-minute video.
Yeah.
Nine-minute video now.
Okay, we're done.
Done? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch. Damn it. Damn it. I thought I had some coming. Yes, I got that one on camera.
Oh my god. What? So slow. Ah. Did it get on it? No.
Yeah, it's a little.
Aw.
It's on my carpet. It doesn't matter.
My bad.
As long as it's not on the carpet.
Anyone who's single, call me.
Hey, let's put that on.
Oh, it's not on?
No. Okay, now go. Anyone
who's single,
Anyone who's single, call her up.
Us? Or just me?
I don't want to get hooked up with some creepy guy, some pedophile. She likes pedophile.
Yeah, I thought that was good.
Okay, well, call her up. We'll give you her number if you inbox us. Okay?
Oh, and subscribe.
Yeah, and you have to subscribe to us. Because you know you want her. Super good.